Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to edit indicator on TradingView. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on TradingView and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here we have products, community, markets, news, brokers, and more. Right here you're going to find your profile. And right here, you're going to find your watch list and the read list. And you can also create or import a list. From here, in the search bar, you can search for any markets by clicking on it. Right here, you can also filter by stocks, funds, futures, forex, crypto, indices, bonds, and economy. So for example, I'm going to go to my watch list and I'm going to go to Apple stock and click right here. And then it will take me to this page for Apple stock. So if you click right here, you can see right here the currency in every country. And if you go right here, you're going to find see all super charts. And right here, you're going to find the charts. Go ahead and click on launch full chart view. And then it will take you to the full chart view. So right here in the top, you're going to find indicators. If you click right here, you're going to find all of the settings related to the indicators. So right here we have my scripts, technicals, financials, community scripts. So for example, if you click on 24-hour volume, as you can see guys, now you added the 24-hour volume. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.